Welcome friends. In this tutorial video, we will do how to print random number by using Java program in Eclipse IDE. So for the program, my Java class is launched. This is my Java class, and inside this main method, let's write the coding. First of all, let's write random. Okay, this is keyword. Then we will create the object for random. Let's write random equal to new random. Then let's import the random package. Okay, then let's write int a equal to random dot next int. This should be random. Okay, random dot next int. Then let's write system out println, and let's write random number is a. Now let's run this program. Here we have the random number is this, and suppose if I want to get the random number below 100, then we should write 100 here. Let's run again. Yeah, we have 57. Run again. 74. Let's try again. 65. Okay, then if I want to get the answer below 10, then let's run again. 1, run again. 9, run again. 2, like that. Okay, so this is the way how to print random number in Java program.